Hi everybody, it is Heather. I am back to share some awesome goodies that I received from Butterfly Reflections Inc. for my first month being a part of their design team. Yay! I've posted the announcement everywhere, so you may have already heard, but I was recently selected to be a part of their design team for the summer term, and I am super excited about it because I have been hoping for this and I can finally check that off my crafty goal list. So I just wanted to share with you some of the awesome stuff that I received from them. They are an online store, and the only challenge is that they do not offer 12 by 12 papers, which for a scrapbooker is kind of a necessity. However, you can get pretty much everything else there. And to be quite honest, a lot of my backgrounds are on white cardstock, which I order in bulk from American Crafts. I'm sure I'm not the only one. But backing cut files, embellishments, you really only need a 6x6 paper pad, which they offer, and they're receiving shipments of new products all the time. They also have, just like any store, but they also have a ton of older products and great prices. I mean, extremely great prices, and the shipping was really quick. And there's 2 shipping options, so if you are just ordering stamps or dies, I think it's a little bit less than if you order, say, as much as I did. But I'm really excited to share some of this with you, and you've probably seen some of these products already. Some of them are newer than others, and some of them are older, but I didn't have them in my stash, and I was able to select some of the products that I wanted to sort of fill in what I already had. And so here we go. So the first, like the newer portion, and what I'm going to be creating my first couple of design team projects with, is this adorable Doodlebug collection called Hello. I mean, their little sprinkles, brother, they are the most adorable little things. They're so tiny and cute and detailed. They've got gold foil on them. I mean, I don't know if you can see through the package. It might be kind of hard with the lighting, but they are the cutest little things. So I'm really excited about those. And of course, I got the 6x6 paper pad, which I hadn't opened yet. I haven't actually looked at any of this except for just the outside of the package. So this is, looking at this in details is new. So Doodlebug, their 6x6 paper pads are double-sided. I love that. And I love 6x6 paper pads for backing cut files because the patterns are smaller. And of course, I know I'm not the only one that their heart like sort of stops when they cut into a 12 by 12 paper for cutting little pieces to back a cut file. So I know I'm not the only one that struggles with that. So 6x6 paper pads are genius for that. And the fact that Doodlebug makes them double-sided is even better. So I love these patterns. I love the bright colors. It's perfect for summer. And the embellishment packs, holy cow, there is so much in here. So to begin with, I get to work with these awesome products, and the prices over at Butterfly Reflections Inc. is amazing. And I know, well, I feel like I can speak for most people that waiting for a shipment to arrive from ordering online is almost it's painful, because everybody would love to shop in store, but we all know that actual scrapbook stores are a dying breed, unfortunately. But Butterfly Reflections Inc., they actually just opened up their own brick and mortar store in New Hampshire, and unfortunately I live in Maryland, so I'm a little far away to shop there. But if they were at least 4 hours closer, I would probably make the trip. So if you are in that area, definitely check it out. But I'm not going to go through all of this, but I just wanted you to see how much you get in this pack. I love all the colors, the gold foil. So that one was their Chit Chat pack, and this is their, I'll probably end up combining all of this once I start working on it. But it says, what, 101 pieces? There's so much in here. So this pack also includes these fantastic acetate pieces, which I'm super excited about. So first you get all of these pieces in their embellishment pack, and then ordering at Butterfly Reflections Inc., you get it for such a great price. So definitely check that out. So on top of that, I'm so excited. So again, some of this stuff is not new, but I hadn't had it. So I got these adorable little tassels from Dear Lizzie and Doodlebug's little shape sprinkles. I couldn't tell when I ordered them how small they are, but do you see how small they are? They are the cutest little heart stickers. I love them, and I think I'm definitely gonna have to order another pack. They also sell products from Freckled Fawn, which, if you're not aware, is an embellishment company. I think they do some papers, but what I had found just in previous experience is that they would run out. So I found some of these products at Butterfly Reflections Inc., and I was super excited that they had some of their puffy stickers because I love them. I mean, who doesn't love those colors? So this, again, not new, but my 9-year-old, soon to be 10-year-old, is recently become infatuated with unicorns, and we are planning a unicorn party, and so I grabbed these because I thought it would be really fun to incorporate. So the next few items are from Paige Evans, Pink Paisley. Again, Take Me Away. This is not one of her recent collections, but I did not have the 6x6 paper pad. In fact, actually, I didn't have really any of the papers for this, but I love backing cut files. And again, the 6x6 paper pads that you can get over at Butterfly Reflections Inc. are perfect. I mean, matting photos. I mean, everybody knows how they can use 6x6 paper pad, but I love that there are smaller patterns, and this is perfect for backing cut files. So I got the embellishments and the package of matching bows, which are super cute, and I've actually had these already, but I went through them and I love them. These are from Take Me Away. Let's see, yeah, it was all Take Me Away. I love these, so I got those. And then Sunny Studios came out with some paper packs. These are not pads, they are loose papers, 6x6, but look at the colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Perfect for summer, and they are also double-sided. Yay! I love that. So I'm super excited to have that in my stash because I will have no problem using that. So this is, I think, something fairly old, but I had not seen them, and I got them again on the online shop. And who doesn't love a sheet of tiny letter stickers? And what I love about these is that they have spots of color. So nothing fantastic and awesome about this, but it's a necessity, right? I know everybody has seen these, but I did not have them. They are the huge chipboard words, so I'm super excited to incorporate these on a project coming soon. Again, this is from Paige Evans, and I've already used up the pack that I purchased a while back, but I love them. And again, the online shop at Butterfly Reflections Inc., she has a ton of stock of everything. And who's to say that just because you've bought and used this once, you can't use it again? Because I will. Anyway, this is another pack from American Crafts. I think is Amy Tan. I'm not sure, but I haven't used these before, and I love the glitter. Really, really love the finish, and the back is white. So all of this, really excited to start working on a project, and you will see my first design team post soon, and I hope that you check it out and check out their online shop, Butterfly Reflections Inc. I gotta get used to saying that quickly because I'll be saying it a lot in the next few months. check out their shop. It really is great. The products and the prices galore, and they're really nice to work with. So I will be back soon with more exciting new projects, and I really appreciate you guys checking this out and sticking with me while I shared my recent purchase of goodies. I hope you guys are having a great day. I will be back soon. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.